Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. How are you doing today? I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to be testing out the brand new O Face Satin Lipstick from e.l.f. They just came out with 10 new colors. They did have this line already, but I bought all the brand new colors and we're going to test them out today. We're going to do some swatching on the arms and testing them out on the lips. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe to my channel. If you like beauty and makeup and fashion and whatnot, then you are in the right place, so definitely subscribe. Let's just dive right in, shall we? All right, so there are 10 brand new colors in this collection, and I got every single one of them. So I've been seeing these a lot on like TikTok and stuff, so I wanted to buy them and try them out, and they're supposed to have an incredibly soft and comfortable formula on the lips, so we're gonna test them out. All right, so I'm gonna kind of go from lightest to darkest, so let's get started. We have the first color here, which is the color Feelin' Myself. Now, I have not opened these yet or taken a look at them, so this is also kind of a first impressions as well. First off, I just gotta say, I love the packaging on this. Like, it is just so sleek. I like the black and then just the e.l.f. and it feels like very soft. It's not like it's plastic, but it doesn't feel like that hard plastic. It's like a soft plastic. So anyway, let's take a look at this color. Very pretty, a lightish pink, and I love that it has a little monogram of the e.l.f. in it. So let's swatch this color, see how it comes out. We're gonna swatch it on the arm here. Ooh, okay, so this is like a light pink. It's not very like an intense pink. I'd say it's more of a muted natural pink, so it's like a My Lips but better almost color, but it definitely has that pink undertone. I just want to say it feels incredibly soft and incredibly smooth on the arm here. All right, so the next lipstick here, we have the color Pleased. So I'd say it's a very similar shade, but this one looks maybe slightly more muted. Let's give her a swatch and see what it comes out. Actually, this one is way more pink. I thought this one would be more muted. It does have more of a mauve-y undertone, and I want to say the first one has more of a coral undertone, but this is definitely a very muted pink, still pink, for sure, with that mauve undertone. Again, smooth and silky, just a buttery formula. All right, so the next color here is going to be in the color Limitless, and this is going to be more of that terracotta brownie orange color. Again, it is more of a neutral. I don't want to say it's a true nude, but it's definitely more of a nude type color. And there we go. Oh, that I love that terracotta, nice brown orange undertones. It's not overly orangey though, which I like, but it does have just that tint of orange that just adds a little depth to the color. The next one we have up is Me, Myself, and I, and I think this is going to be more of a deeper brown orange color. It's very similar to the one we just looked at, except it's going to be a bit more intense, a bit darker. Actually, that has a bit more of a red undertone than the previous one. It's definitely darker, but I was expecting more of an orange undertone. No, it's definitely more of a red. It's a red-brown. It's like a brick red almost is how I would describe it. So this is what we're looking at here. Next we have Do Not Disturb, and I think this is going to be more of a dark reddish pink, just from looking at it, but let's swatch and see. Yes, so it's not as pink, but there is that more pinkish undertone, but it is a red. It's a deeper red with a hint of pink in there, just the tiniest bit, so it's a little bit warmer, I'd say. They're both warm toned, these two here, but this one I think has more of that pink undertone, and this one up here has more of that brown orange undertone. Next we have the color Spicy. This is what it looks like. Again, I think this one might be the true red here. We'll find out. Let's see here. No, see, this one is even lighter, and even I'd say it looks more pinkish than the previous one. It's a little warmer, I'd say. It's more warm, in my opinion. It looks warmer. I'd say it's very red. Still got a tinge of pink in there. Now this next one is called Loud AF, and this is definitely gonna be, I'd say, a hot pink. Yes, there we go. That is a hot pink. It's not quite a Barbie pink. I wouldn't say Barbie pink, but it's definitely that intense, bright pink, that hot pink almost. Beautiful for like that intense pop of color when you want it, or I'd say very good summer color as well. All right, this next color is going to be a bit darker, a dark berry pink. This is called Untamed. Yes, look at that berry purple pink color. Let's give her a swatch here. Yep. So it's that dark purpley berry toned color. Very pretty, a very pretty color. But yes, you got that. This one's more purple, obviously. This one's more pink, this one's more purple, and this one's a bit darker. We're getting into more vampy tones here. All right, this next one here is gonna be a deep purple, and this is called the Smolder. Very excited to see this color. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be dark. I'm running out of room on my arm here. So it seems very similar to the one we just watched. This one's more pink, a bit hotter. This one is a little more cool tone, still has a bit of a warm undertone, but it's much closer to like a true purple. And then we have the very last color in this new color line, and this is called All Night, and it is going to be, it looks black. We'll see when I swatch it. Is it going to be a very, very deep purple, or is it going to be black? Let's find out. I am right down to the elbow here, almost no room. It is black. It is a true black. Oh my goodness. Look at the intensity on that. That's very intense black. I'm very excited about that because I don't really have a black lipstick in my collection. So this is going to be fun. So these are all the brand new colors that were added to the O Face Satin Lipstick line from e.l.f. I gotta say, on the arm, feels so soft and buttery smooth. So these are all the colors. Look at how absolutely gorgeous those are. Stunning. I'm very excited for like these red tones, and then this like more muted neutral tone right here. These ones right here look so pretty. I'm very excited about them. After swatching them all on the lips and testing them out, I gotta say, I definitely feel, it feels very smooth, very buttery, very soft. Like, it doesn't feel heavy, and it's not like drying down to be very matte and drying. I do love a satin formula. Satin is probably my go-to. I don't like mattes, and I'm not really into glosses. So the satin I really like, and it's drying down really nicely. I don't know how long these really last all that much. They're very, very transfer proof, just so you know. The color I'm wearing currently is Me, Myself, and I. I think this is my favorite color that is in this new color range, although there were definitely some really good ones in there that I really liked, but I think this one's currently my favorite. I just like the way it looks and sits on my skin tone. It's that nice kind of terracotta-y hint of orange reddish that I really, really like. So it looks very nice. I do like the way it sits. It's not drying. This is with no lip liner on it, so it was very easy to apply without lip liner. Just kind of using the edges of the lip to go. After swatching all of these, you can see some redness. There is staining, especially with a lot of those darker colors, those berries and that red, especially the black too. There is staining, but it came off really well with like a makeup wipe. So I really like the way this looks. I love most of the colors. Not really into how those like lighter pinky tones looked on me. I don't think they sat well on my skin tone. I don't think they worked well. I think they kind of washed me out a little bit. But this is what we're working with. I really like these, you know, and they're only $9, so I really can't be that mad. If you like any of these colors, I would definitely consider going and getting them and checking them out. They feel so soft and buttery, and they're pigmented, like they're very pigmented. Not sure if this is something that, if you're looking for something that lasts all day, this definitely will probably need to be retouched at some point, but I like the way it sits. I like the way it feels. It's very soft, so I would recommend these. I really like these, and they come in such a sleek, pretty packaging. Like, these are really pretty. Like, I love these. And I gotta give them props. e.l.f. did a nice, like, magnetic, like, it is magnetic. You could hear it clicking. Packaging, and for only $9, that's honestly not that bad. So I would recommend these, honestly. I gotta say, I like these. So if you already have some of the older shades and you really like the formula, definitely check out the newer ones. Anyway, that is kind of all the lip swatches and kind of a little bit of a review on the new color line of the O Face Satin Lips from e.l.f. So I gotta say, I really like these. Anyway, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. Please give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And if you are not already, definitely subscribe to my channel. If you like beauty, makeup, and such, then you are in the right place. So definitely hit that subscribe button. And I hope you have a wonderful day.